How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing another Instagram car meme review, and before we get into this video, I do just want to make sure that everyone subscribes down below, because I'm going to be doing my very first merchandise giveaway. I'm basically going to be giving away $100 worth of my merchandise to one lucky subscriber, and it's only going to be open to my subscribers and my subscribers only. So, you know, if you want to enter yourself, just simply subscribe down below, and then I'm going to be doing this giveaway pretty much as soon as we hit 1,500 subscribers on the channel. And again, it is completely free, and all it takes is for you to subscribe down below. So definitely be sure to go down there, hit the subscribe button, and get yourself entered into that giveaway. So now, going right into it, so for the very first meme, we got me gets pulled over, cop inspects vehicle. Do you know you have your car has illegal mods? Me. Oh, I didn't know, officer. I swear, I didn't know at all. This one's funny too. Pulling back the carpet and seeing rusted out floorboard. Yeah, not to be confused with Fast and Furious quick disconnect floorboards that endanger the manifold. So this is funny too, especially with all the different laws going into effect and tax incentives about electric vehicles and all the manufacturers going to electric. Me in 2040 making bootleg E85 when gas is outlawed. Some moonshiner, or whatever you call people who make moonshine, I don't even know. Some boomer in a 2015 Mustang, a 27-year-old cruising around in their scat pack. Whoever the fuck supercharged a 3.6 liter Pentastar, a 2.4 liter turbocharged Dodge Neon with enough boost to launch a piston into orbit, a fuel pump louder than its own blow-off valve, and a driver with a poor understanding of their own mortality. Yep, I mean that's actually, I mean, at least it's true with the boomer part, because obviously you have a lot of guys, or older guys, a lot of older guys know, what they're doing, but some older guys just have retirement money, or money that they've just saved up, and they buy a brand new car like a Corvette. That's obviously the meme as well. Corvette is like a boomer car. But they'll go out and then get a nice car, and it'll just be like the scene in the Fast and Furious where he pulls up and you got some clapped out Dodge Neon with a teenager in the driver's seat thinking he's Paul Walker, about to race a Ferrari with his Toyota Supra with $15,000 worth of overnight parts from Japan.
Nice car. What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari.
So now we got our first TikTok or reel of the episode. It's got the Tokyo Drift song in the background. I'm pretty sure it's copyrighted, so I'll probably just mute it. Yeah, I wanted to get, you guys could tell I was unmuting it and muting it because I wanted to get his voice at the end, because he was just the passenger saw it coming. I guess the driver was just, I mean, the driver kind of deserved that. You gotta, it looks like, hold on. Yeah, it looks like you got a wide open parking lot, right? Even over here on that left side, wide open parking lot, and you find the one pole and just T-bone yourself, slide right into that one pole. I mean, yeah, there's no sympathy for someone like that. I mean, it sucks. It's definitely, it's a situation that sucks for both the driver and the passenger. It looks like no one was hurt though, so hopefully YouTube doesn't demonetize me. But yeah, that it sucks, but at the same time, you kind of deserved it. Me pumping my body with energy drinks so I can make it through a whole day. Yeah, oh my god. Dude, if that's actually a real thing and not photoshopped, it's actually kind of surprising, because the body is so screwed up, and for some reason, if you look at the rear and the axles, just the direction of the wheels, it kind of looks straight. I could be not seeing that correctly, but the axles kind of look like they're still intact, so this very well could be a drivable car. But yeah, that body is just completely not how it's supposed to be. When you have enough money for a good watch but not enough for a good car. Yeah, I love BMW slander. I mean, I don't know, I don't really, BMWs are good cars, but the whole culture that surrounds them. And I don't know, whenever you see a BMW on the road, it's always someone just driving like a jackass, or someone who just doesn't know anything about a car or about cars in general, specifically their car, and they think, you know, just because they have a BMW, their car is amazing when it's like a base model, like 3 Series, 2005 BMW. You kind of get my point, though. I mean, there is definitely like true enthusiasts and true followers of BMW, like any other car manufacturer, really. But then there's some people, or a lot of people I should say, that just buy it just for the logo. You get the same with like Mercedes and other luxury brands as well. Today we will be talking about not modifying your bank-owned car class. Yeah, I know some people like that, where it's like they're paying a lot of money on car payments, and yet they're doing a lot of crap to it. Luckily my car is not bank owned, but then again my car is not really expensive either. But yeah, that's a funny one as well, because I mean, you're not gonna, especially if you're a car person, you're not gonna get a car not modified. I mean, come on, let's all be real. Why spend so much money on your car? It's not like you're gonna take it with you when you die. This dude, this absolute legend, again, this is probably fake, but if this is real, this dude definitely lived in Florida. Let me tell you that. Like, if this is, I'm sorry anyone out there that lives in Florida, but you know, all the like crazy articles with like Florida man, you know, high on meth robs 10 grocery stores. This is someone from Florida. If this is a real thing and it's not just some made up, you know, meme on Instagram, this was definitely a Florida man. New password, Subaru WRX weak. New password, Mazda Miata strong. I mean, this was actually kind of a weak meme, let's be real, but I mean, Mazda Miata is always the answer. I love those cars. I absolutely love those cars. If you haven't seen the 2 reviews that I did on Miatas, definitely go check them out. I'll probably leave the link to the supercharged Miata that I reviewed, because that one was probably more funner than the other Miata, but still, I mean, I absolutely love Miatas.
Hi, how are you? Can I help you?
Good. I need to change the water in my headlights.
You want to change what?
The water in my headlights.
There is no water in your headlights. Why you want to change the water in your headlights?
Because they don't work.
Who told you to change the water in your headlights?
The other people, they try to charge me $125 because I need to change the freaking whatever fluid in my headlights.
There is.
Oh my. Oh, the blinker fluid. They got her with the blinker fluid. Well, actually, they didn't get her with the blinker fluid because she went to someone else. That's a smart woman. Go to someone else. Oh my god. You know what's really messed up is that there's actually people out there that probably believe that crap. And there's a couple other things out there like that I can't think of, you know, off the top of my head, but blinker fluid is definitely like the classic. Just, you know, you ever want to get someone who just doesn't know anything about their car and be like, hey, how often do you change your blinker fluid? And they'll be like, wow, I have blinker fluid? I didn't even know. Oh yeah, you really have to change it. Yeah, I mean, it's funny, but it's also messed up because so many people get ripped off by mechanics. But I mean, I guess you should do your research a little bit before just going to the shop and, you know, dropping your car off like it's a kid at a babysitter or a kid at a daycare or something like that. I mean, people should know more about cars. I mean, obviously I'm into cars, so it's easier for me to say that, but everyone should know more about cars because if you just like get in your car and you really don't care about it and there's like some fluid underneath one of your wheels or whatever, and it happens that your brake lines are cut or they got cut, or, you know, something malfunctioned, and you're driving your car and you put it into a tree. I mean, cars are dangerous. Like, people don't realize, like, cars are very, very dangerous, and you don't have to be like going nuts to like get into a serious accident. And a lot of times it's just maintenance and just knowing your car, and people really take that for granted, which is kind of annoying. Now, speaking of being dangerous on the road, we have a little rally clip to end today's video. This isn't really a meme, but I just like the voice that they put over it. It's so on point too. I mean, it's so on point. You get the turbo flutter as soon as he gets airborne and everything. I mean, that's a cool video though. Like, I can watch that. I mean, the voice could get a little bit annoying, but like, I can watch this video over and over and over again. Like, rally drivers are just a different breed. I would love to, you know, possibly just take out like a all-wheel drive hatchback on like a snow or on a course that's like, you know, has snow on it or has dirt on it or something. I love to do that in my life, but I just don't know. Like, it definitely takes some like serious skill to like do rally driving. Like, that's just a whole different level. Alright, well anyways guys, that's pretty much just gonna wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I'm gonna be making more of these like Instagram car meme review videos. Definitely be sure to subscribe down below. Again, for more car reviews, DIY videos like this, automotive news videos. But also, again, definitely be sure to subscribe for my new merchandise giveaway that I'm going to be doing once I hit 1,500 subscribers. Again, that giveaway is only going to be open to my subscribers and my subscribers only. So definitely be sure to enter yourself down below. It's free, it takes less than a second, and it definitely helps me out a lot as a smaller YouTuber. Well, anyways, like always, thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.